Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can restrict which pages your users can see in case you don't want them to have full access to the SMSP platform. SMSP uses a role-based access system which has users, roles and groups. Users are the main entity and we can assign roles to them, or we can assign them to groups. A group can also have roles assigned to it. A user can be a member of one, many, or no groups at all. To view the role-based access system, starting from the main menu, we click on User Role and Group Management. This page is split into 3 tabs, one for each of the entities. We have the User Management, Role Management and Group Management. In each of the tabs you will be prompted to select the entity you want to manage. So for users, you can select a user, for roles, a role, and for groups, select a group. Let's look at the User Management tab first. We'll create a new user for now, and we can see the new user has been added to the list, and we have the user management options below. The first thing we want to do is to change the username and the password. We also have some more advanced options such as the root file, which is essentially the level in which the user will log into. The CSS file in case we want to give our user a different look to the page, and the language. Let's choose English. Also, the results per page is used in pages where we have tables and indicates how many rows will fit in a single page. Once we are happy with the options, click Modification, and we see we have our demo user. Now let's take a look at the user groups. At the left we have a list of the groups the user is a member of, and at the right the list that the user is not a member of. We'll add him to the demo group. The user has been added to that group, and we can manually add some roles as well. Note here that due to the large volume of roles, we can limit how many and in which order roles appear in these 2 boxes. Let's increase this a bit so we have a more complete list of roles. And adding a role is then as simple as selecting the role and clicking this button to add it to the list of roles assigned to the user. As this is a long list, we can use the quick search bar to quickly filter the roles we're interested in. So I want to add these billing roles to this user. Simple as that. Also note that we can jump from one tab to the next at any time, but for our users' convenience we have included these buttons to jump to a specific role within the tab. So if I wanted to manage, for example, this role, I can click the role and then click on Role Management, and this takes me to the Role Management tab with this role selected. You'll now notice that these 2 tabs are very similar to the first tab. Each has the other 2 entities. So group has users and roles, user has roles and groups, and role has groups and users. This concludes the tutorial on user role and group management. Thank you for watching.